Is your ultra-mobile app crashing or stuck on loading? First, ensure you have a strong internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Then try these steps. First, force close the app and reopen it. Second, clear the app's cache in Android settings or offload the app in iPhone settings. Third, make sure your ultra-mobile app is updated to the newest version v5.8.2 for Android and v4.9.1 for iOS. Recent updates addressed compatibility issues with iOS 18.1 and Android 15, which helps prevent freezes during login or data loading. However, some users are still experiencing these issues, particularly on iPhone 15 and 16 series, Samsung Galaxy S24, and Google Pixel 9. If these steps don't work, move on to the next section. If basic troubleshooting fails, try these advanced steps. First, restart your device to clear any temporary issues. Second, reinstall the Ultramobile app from the official App Store or Google Play Store to get the latest version. Third, disable any VPN software, as this can interfere with the app's network connection. Fourth, ensure the app has all necessary permissions for location, storage, and notifications. For long-term prevention, keep your app and operating system updated to ensure compatibility. Avoid sideloading apps from unofficial sources to prevent security risks. Consider using the Ultramobile website for critical functions as a backup. Ultramobile's customer support recommends manual reinstalls during peak hours, and they are piloting an in-app fix-it feature that uses machine learning to automatically fix common issues without user intervention. This is something to look out for.